survey after survey has concluded that this is what's prioritized, both symptomatic and functional recovery. What I've also noticed in my career, and what also is apparent in the published literature, these qualitative surveys looking at this very question as to defining treatment success, is the currency that's also given to a sense of well-being and a sense of positive mental health. So in addition to the taketh away of mental illness, there is in fact a pivot towards the giveth and giving people back a sense of well-being and vitality, which is highly related to, but slightly different than just functional recovery. So I do think it's symptom and function, and also the capacity, that full repertoire of well-being that patients recall, often romantically, but recall prior to the illness onset.